I can't believe we're gonna be smoked out again.
New Yorkers once again being warned to pay attention to air quality. Smoke from the Canadian wildfires is expected to cloud New York's air Wednesday and Thursday, hitting unhealthy and, in some cases, hazardous levels.
Definitely going to work from home from those days, so.
Definitely wear a mask, maybe two, and close my windows when I come to work in the morning.
The MTA and Port Authority will hand out free N95 masks at several of the city's busiest transit hubs, including Grand Central, Penn Station, the Port Authority, and Fulton Center. Health experts recommend reaching for your mask if the air quality index surpasses 150, and look to the data, not the smoke in the sky, to judge that.
Just keep an eye on the actual numbers. It's really hard to tell just based on our own senses how bad it is. Looking at that actual number and seeing an objective measurements is a good way to judge what's safe and what's not safe.
That's what the Fresh Air Fund plans to do when roughly 200 kids show up for the first day of camp Wednesday morning. They'll be bused from New York City to the Mid-Hudson Valley.
If the smoke becomes a challenge, we'll be moving youth to indoor facilities with the best ventilation that we have. If it becomes extremely challenging, we may have to have kids return to New York City, and we're hoping it won't come to that.
But here's the big question. Is this something we need to get used to? Pix 11's very own meteorologist Chris Cimino says the connection to climate change seems to be one of the obvious reasons why these wildfires are happening, but the actual answer is complex.
Climate is long-term weather. Weather is short-term. So weather can oscillate within a big climate change, meaning that next year maybe they'll have a wet season up in Canada. It's possible. But if this trend continues like this and it's dry season after season, obviously the threat's going to be there.
And Governor Hochul says that there will be announcements about air quality made over public transit and through alerts sent to people's cell phones. New Yorkers can also pick up free high-quality masks at local FDNY firehouses and NYPD precincts.